If you struggle with making your brows perfect, you need this. It's called the Aesthetica Brow Contour Kit. If you're a beginner with makeup like me, doing your brows can take you the longest when getting ready. But since I found this entire brow bar kit, it's been my favorite step in my makeup routine. Mostly because it helps me achieve the perfect sculpted brows I've always wanted. In the palette, there are 6 different brow powder shades, a cream concealer and highlight powder, setting wax, and a double-ended brow brush. It even comes with 5 eyebrow stencils and a pair of tweezers. It's super easy to use. Just pick the stencil that matches your natural brows, pick the perfect brow shade, line it up with your brows, and fill it in. If you need a kit to achieve the perfect set of brows, then check out the Aesthetica Brow Contour Kit.